All right. Asempa 94.7 FM. Good afternoon to you all listening to Asempa right about now. This is Tete a Tete with the man, the Dawn of Dawns. And now it's Saturday, Bium. And as usual, you be your entertainment program now. And prayer, legendary prayer, never fear Hanum. Now, I'm more issues about this VGMA nomination. Mwamunim say prayer, so far as Ghana music is concerned. But according to say, they are not being recognized the way they should be recognized. According to Asempa. And of course, when him say prayer, they are when this was shikaka into Oma attacking VGMA brand no, Oma attacking George Quay. Almost in Yoma George Quay kikano and toss Papa Bia because Omo no ye prayer, Omo ma George Quay, a history of prayer, baby a movie by and how difficult it has been. And right about now, no Omo kamu abum bium, and that is the real deal. Sisi anakoye to say other groups are anka. Omo se no sisi anu omo apap a prayer home according to VGMA nomination list. In the same way, a hard dream papa definitely prayer bebe fie hanum, and they'll be touching on this. And of course, I'm sharing niamu yesi right about now. Mamu kai prayer. So many interesting songs. Me Bobby Amma Mwate. Sorry. Now apart from that, so many Pop Skinny bet between common. Pop Skinny, not on a Shatawale ne ye juma. Pop Skinny, your former presenter, Wadum 106.3 FM. Now, Nansayano or the assembly to about Shatawale, time on New Honum, no issues are na Ecoso Muntemono or the Yomabi Betuja. And Nansayan Sono, another guy off Shatawale camp, your friend Arabi, and also the Pop Skinny who yaw pass a Pop Skinny on ya down for pa. Pop Skinny, or no, introducing Pop Skinny man shatter movement. But you see, I know Pop Skinny are selling it out. Just say Pop Skinny are betraying my shatter movement for no. Ain't no, so say Pop Skinny life in Yefekra. We'll stay tuned to Asempa 94.7 FM. Yeni Pop Skinny bet between come on. Now, according to Pop Skinny, no, wanya a lot of death threats from Shatawale camp in the camp, no. Or suspected say omu dinichi omu peso omu hano. Because I see the fear sometimes the numera moto for aba broom. Na omu hwefie ho, omu move, omu friend death threats ni nyoma. Enti ye baby son say so far how far? Enti mun channel so na mun stay tuned to Asempa 94.7 FM and be the brutal show no running right up till 3. Stay tuned. Your friend with the Dawn of Dawns be chicha munina area.
I do the pata pata, and pay you the sentinel. Say me to me no. Nan come in, me try Angelina say they say get any move. I do the pata pata, and pay you the sentinel. Say me to me no. Angelina come to. Yeah, just she better get sasa. Macarena kama puga. She go me. Angelina come to. Yeah, just she better get sasa. Macarena kama puga. She go me. Yeah, just she better get sasa. Yeah, just go get by. Macarena kama puga. She go me. Yeah, just she better get sasa. Yeah, just go get by. Macarena who can dance. She go me. Angelina Kuto, Sasa she better than Sasa. Macarena de Mapuka. She go me. Angelina Kuto, Sasa she better than Sasa. Macarena de Mapuka. She go me. Sasa she better than Sasa. Sasa Kagani Boy. Macarena de Mapuka. She go me. Sasa she better than Sasa. Sasa Kagani Boy. Macarena son the dance, she go me. Angelina to me be some channel say yes I will be brown, merry go round, don't be shy baby. Do some 2-3 steps to your back.
All right, music of Prayer. They call this one Angelina. And Prayer almost getting ready to sit in the studios and when you're ready, and then they fireworks. Apart from that, Matisse was studio so they are doing some recordings into here. They need na be to drop. Some Kai Prayer, good old Prayer. Now they are going to crown and say artist of the decade, Prayer and Kaho, my people. I didn't acquire some can't wait.
Angelina Kuto, Angelina de Cape. Otu me was on the woman, Mr. Nanimbuno, Angelina Kuto, Sasa Shibarone Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka. She go me, Angelina Kuto, Sasa Shibarone Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka. She go me, Sasa Shibarone Sasa, Sasa Kagani Boy. Macarena de Mapuka. She go me. Sasa she better than Sasa. Sasa go the boy. Macarena for the dance. She go me. Alright, yeah. Say I saw ya besa. Say I superu. Say I don't so swag. Lisa. Say I saw ya besa. Say I go swag. Say I boy.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM. 94.7.
All right. Asempa 94.7 FM. You were live on Facebook in Wow Person share proceedings. Yeah, of course, was the only one. For your Facebook page, no so Asempa 94.7 FM. And there, Ube who be here because was studio Muha. And to Moon Shannon, so Munkancha Madame Fufona Muntie, Asempa 94.7 FM. Tete. Yes, Hanum, all the entertainment issues are yet trending. No, you be catch your Hanum. Hanum now says assembly na. And stay tuned. Mukai win so. We need to respect Prayer.
konyo konyo wana mene atwa ane ezini mosi duanye bele ke mosi duanye ane ezini mosi duanye Oh, si you are the boy, I scale, I get me with me, no be me as it is our best in the car. I'm paying a bank, I may be standing up, but then also the tea and all content, lipstick in the eyelashes. And Mamma come very for me, I'm Cassaget, I'm a woo. Oh, my mission, Penisocram, when I can't swaz on Penisocram. The summer imagine I'm an Indian matter, so Kabi, I mean, Cabin Tirena. Opa damn me, what Kelly Willie, Opa damn me, what I'm Pico, and you be antina me bro, or telephone number, antina me Brasano, Matasa, Papaya, Juma, Ministries. And yeah, boy, Mr. Some mammy to brew the cake, the meat pie, brony friend the pastries. When you're not to say,
I am my shorty, one.
When you're not to say, I am my shorty.
Okay, Asempa 94.7 FM. Get ready for prayer. You're going to be right here, and you're betting come on. Issues are back. Serious issues. I say to me, the two drag. Because in fact, prayer is brutal. And when it comes to the artist of the decade, no, with all these songs, Omundin count. At the moment, you'll be a problem or Honuma na, Asembisa, and I'll be in Pelma Semo, Chatter House on Moana, Asembisa, into Moon Chain, Omoboa, a baby's home. We go run some things, we go do some things, we live in prayer.
And we will go to our own.
Asempa FM 94.7.
Now, Uncle Omu Philly said the category for the best group, music group, no anchor, at least Prayer Becca home, but still, Omanya also. Oh, Asempa ni. Me want also almost submit nominations. Inti Omoni George Crane, Kasakasabi, Inti Omo best studio muha, Omo be my and the actual picture near Koso Ankasano, Omo de Betuja, Ama also watch it. Asempa house person cano, now also afraid, now also the Wadrian Tuja, Sana right here on Asempa 94.7 FM. Yeah, friend me the dawn, mini Kejuwa, and the Waha, and the gifty and tired. I'm almost so much sick in terms of production right here on Asempa 94.7 FM.
Asempa FM
26 July, I'm a birthday. On the body, the Papa could post and him some when you go to the ray. The boy said, who not in jam or two trouble, no matter what. Put me coming once and when it does him, I cry and Capoco. Pick it the flowers on him, my dear. Who's a crophobia near all parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding. Pick it the flowers on him, my dear. Who's a crophobia near all parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding.
And we will go home to our old friend.
What you say?
And we will go home to our old friend.
Come on! You wanna run something, break something, sing something. 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 Okay, I wanna hear now question. From Liberia, Jaga, where Nigeria. Hey man, I see it, I see that. I like it, I like that. I want it, I want that. Okay, make me know, come on, me know. Me the cry, me the Diona. Got problems, them things, strings, them things. Don't pray what about for me. She can't hear Bamba. No one do, I lay back. Galatoon, Galato, you were fair. What was she, you were fair? You go on, the time you can't get Gabule, a hand your your tiny, you're going to get 20, if you're on the 20. See, let's say, people, Atapa, Takota, Afe Fu, famous, Atapa, Takota, Afe Fu, famous, I saw the big cake and
mix by mix in the mix. In the mix.
You must run something, break something.
All right, this group made Ghana proud back in the day, 2006. They won the Kora All African Music Awards back in the day. So many other awards, even VGMA Awards. They swept it in 2006, 2008, and 2009. Prior, they were reigning. No more reigning was gonna happen. But according to Sisiano, I say, but according to a man for Prayer is so vibrant. Sisiano back with a new track, a friend Bang Bang. And Chebia Mebo Bang Bang. Man for Eddie Chili and Ukrainian nomination. And I am Mamu best group in Kranka, tell you. And I am Mamuka artist of the decade. I am best celebrity of Munkrano. And I also you're fine. But Nina swerve. The name someone would need George Quay was Sembiana. Now, in the category for the best music group, a man for Bebreka said Kapaye Nimono. R2Bs, there were Dope Nation, there were La Mem Gang, and the Bethel Revival Choir. Now, La Mem Gang, quite a relatively new group. And I don't know.
Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7.
Chop money near, printers near, they do back on. Piano when he match that, dinner sound to me don't think I'm in now. Piano when he match that, dinner sound to me don't think I'm in now. Who can't control sound more feather, me day, boom, but we can't control sound. Hanky, mommy woo hanky, hanky, finger, mommy woo finger, lighter, mommy woo lighter, and it's a murder, ya overstand sin. Hanky, mommy woo hanky, finger, mommy woo finger, lighter, mommy woo lighter, and it's a murder, ya
right. Prayer as a group reunited in 2018. Last year, well, VGMA, this same VGMA platform. So, and omo kabum bium after omo break up, you know. And Kakra say, this year, no, between Omole Chatter House, issues have gone that bad because Anka issues near that bad. Anka mean yes, sure say Anka mobile platform no say performance no. You hear more power studio ha. Explanation actually. It is very necessary that we get to know what is exactly happening between Prayer and PRO for Chatterhouse George Quay. I heard the ding casting very serious insinuations against each other. Very serious pa. Now my main kind bibia George Quay trauma Emma Mubufu yeno. But you can English kakra. All living things contain a measure of madness that moves them in strange, sometimes inexplicable ways. This madness can be saving. It is part and parcel of the ability to adapt. Without it, no species will survive. A quotation at George Quay, and they share and write up Nase to Prayer. According to say, or say every living thing contains a measure of madness about them. A bibia nyame abobia no a living thing bia abodam shim. Inti according to say quotation no kra no ye ya wom kakra. Inti ema above bufu ye pa. And how can I say, I can feel your pain, guys. From every indication, you really would have appreciated a nomination, and I deeply respect that. Though many may take your rants, trolls, and jabs at the scheme negatively, I want to thank you for it. Those who really don't give a damn about the scheme are silent because really, they couldn't be bothered. But you think you have made your point already? Aren't you tired? I mean, it's been days. Don't you guys have anything worthier to do with your time than rant away on social media? Not just go beside say na omukano omunihwe na because I say omu ye idol omu nam hokeke na mgo pe bibi papa nyewu akwa to say ade ajotwe atro ama omu ko mu pa nti omu man serious response bi dem mamen koso kakra. He went on to say that you couldn't have channeled all this writing into a good song that would actually cement your comeback. Because let's be frank, guys, your fans know, and I know that the bang bang didn't really fly. You see, bang bang no. I'm on for Shadan Tiasia Papa Bia, I'm on for Shadan Pet. And I was personally shocked after such a long time in your career. That was the best thing that you could have returned with. Or say Charlie or no, or Phyllis say Anka muko off for a very long time, no moba back no. Anka bang bang no Anka say to me Tenegana Nina, but no one who she. Oh, I said me. Should I start listing your hit tracks since you've won the new Artist of the Year in 2016? Take a minute and compare your old tracks to Bang Bang, which literally translates as noise. I say, Omo Nyung Bang Bang no eye deden kwana. O say nyuma ya bubo buboyi. I say Omo fan compare. No mo hwe say Bang Bang no eye nyumpa na. Ama for Mutiana. Sana George Quay kan. I say I look at the list of nominees for the 20th edition Group of the Year category and ask myself, who to take out and put you there? Hey! Also, your share category move about the best grouper. On Nim Onyako be ye fi ho and some of the prior be share ho. According to say prior, the more useless class so far this year. And she consumer. It's okay to express your heartbreak. It's even okay to cry. The scheme has no problem with you, and I know you are only doing this out of pain, and I won't fight you. You were a great group, and I know that if you really find that chemistry you had some years back, Prayer will really come back. For now, you are still three handsome blokes trying to work together. Please find that magic, find that spark. Wuta gave Ghana a monster hit, Bronya. When they came back, I'm saying, we ne come pano. Na George Quay casetama Wuta back no. Omudi, ye budada ye Bronyo. I'm a funny now. Believe in you, no, but bang bang no. Omo fan compare Wuta denu kra no mo hwe. Hey, adenu call mu brutal. And na kwa master say, whoa. means pay wo kra na ade am de be ye o nti kwa master nso e be tro letter be ma George Kwe na me pese mema adeni na a waste nti be de mo hye no so o be sisi a na ye mbon gbangban no ye be bo gbangban no ye bon gbangban na mo ankasa mo ahwe se Angelina ne all the other songs jacket ne your friend is saying I am a shoddy one mum compare me no na mo hwe se gbangban no Asempa George Kwe can Ampa na and George Kwe tantrum pacho yenti
Kotonsi ebesi anke si last year Raya ya baby yo
Open high now open lulu hey make a pause for a minute obey what's no and open the bang bang here we open the bang bang and I do so bang bang
Asempa FM 94.7.
now open lulu make a pause for a minute obey what's no and open the bang bang here we open the bang bang and I do so bang bang oh bang bang
see your mommy half time crowd was JJ Kwa master minim ya dem ya babe su dem sometime imposter I didn't tell me to sign and sent time na so ide I don't know about mo be at in the pampa yo kabo kabe me I go give it to you longer tonight it go happen for my bunker and I the end Uber feel it them manpower me I go give it to you longer tonight it go happen for my bunker and I the end and I do you Uber feel it them manpower
Pen high now, pen low. Hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey what's no. Hey, I know Pebia. Open the bang bang. Hey, we open the bang bang. And I do so bang bang.
yeah
Oh, bang bang. Pen high now, pen low. Hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey what's no. Hey, I know Pebia. Open the bang bang. Hey, we open the bang bang. And I do so bang bang.
yeah
Oh, bang bang.
Odo weda no na bo
I will be sissy
me go chain na me da ya so me mu so me dey jam me ho de bra ko eku cause I'm in the mood to madudo me be didi I'm in your hood bele mommy no me didi share me bibi ka jeans pack fanini na be di come in style fanini you are me love you are the dope go honey
Again and again. So to say you want to think about Hale. Obago me,
just for my neck
baby chon. How quite babo. Obago me, Onyamia mama me man kebede. Hey, oh, and I draw away movie Jake Kameda say. Oh, he be me now say alive. Now I change my mind. I know they want me die. Hey, now I raise my hand.
all right in fact
Now, make a pause for a minute. Obey what's in
no
I know baby,
open the bang bang
here we open the
bang bang
and I do so bang bang. Oh, bang bang.
one more time let's do it one more time yo
This is PRAYE. Open the high now, open the low. Hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey what's in no. Hey, I know baby, open the bang bang. Hey, we open the bang bang. And I just so bang bang. Oh,
bang bang
open the high now, open the low. Hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey what's in no. Hey, I know baby, open the bang bang. Here we open the bang bang. And I just so bang bang. Oh, okay, tell me.
see your mommy half time crowd was JJ
Kwa master,
minim de dem ya babe su dem
sometime.
hey
Imposter.
I did not tell me to sign and sent in time na so he dey I don't know about mo be at any pampa yo kabo me I go give it to you longer tonight it go happen for my bunker hey who go feel it the manpower me I go give it to you longer tonight it go happen for my bunker and I dream who go feel it the manpower
And high now, penny low.
yeah
Hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey was no. Hey, I know baby, open the bang bang. Here we up and the bang bang. And I just so bang bang. Oh, bang bang. Open the no. Hey, for your fans worldwide. For a minute, obey was no. Hey, baby, open the bang bang. Here we up and the bang bang. And I just so bang bang. Oh, bang bang. So we see mu. Yeah, so the mu.
Cause I'm in the mood, come on, do. I'm in your hood, belly mommy. Nami didi. Show me baby, catch his back. Tanini. Nana baby, got me style. Tanini. You are me love, you are me dope. Go, honey. Again and again. So she says she want to take Kabale. Hey. Oh, bad baby, yeah. Just one more night, baby, chum. Babu. Oh, bad baby, yeah.
Oh, me man, hey. Oh, and I draw away more big J, come at the same.
Allah.
Oh, it be me now, say I like. Now I change my mind. I know they want to die. Now I raise my hands, yo. Now, hey, make a pause for a minute. Obey us, no. I know, baby, open the bang bang. Here we open the bang bang. And I just so bang bang. Oh, bang bang.
Yeah, Brooms Entertainment back again. What I say? Check it out now. Yeah. Them say what for. Give me the beat. Them say what we come back for. Natty. What you come back for? The name, the money, the fame, the awards, the level.
What you come back for?
The awards, check that out.
Just go. What you come back for?
Hey, we dey come for our own.
All right.
What you come back for? We dey come for our own. You understand?
Yeah, man. All right. In fact, in the studios right about now, you were Prayer. Prayer is a group. In fact, you enjoy Muda and San Amubeba now. Now me Bomunyom, Angelina, Jacket, your friend is saying, I am my shorty one. Classic tracks.
Run some things.
We enjoyed Prayer. Amuko, your friend say award be all Africa Kora Awards.
Yes.
Back in 2006,
Exactly.
2005.
Yeah.
According to say, I mean, they have really lived up to expectation. But now I know VGMA nominations be out. Now a man for I expect to say a group like Prayer, at least even the artist of the decade.
Yes.
Even the artist,
Yes.
and maybe artist of the decade. Looking at a Juma Yen.
Definitely.
At least Ankai say
10 years non-stop.
10 years non-stop.
Hits after hits.
And there are other artists that more group no. You can tell say 10 years no I don't see them as survivor. Yes. And for me, I feel say issues about out now. George Quinn should throw a very long letter be about time I'm more expressing or more displeasure about the nominations no. And letter no na make kind and issues na what letter no. According to say ya be sa. Inti kwa master so am funny easy. Priority am funny easy. Big J Cartel am funny easy. Inti omuni na no they are going guns blazing because Papa Nyefia, Boninso, and Yeding. Good afternoon, Brian.
Good afternoon, boss man.
Good afternoon.
God's grace.
In fact, my happy pa say I've seen you together, three of you.
Yeah.
And nothing is impossible.
Not
it is not.
I mean, most of the times Asempa FM, the Niami Tie Ekosi saying, you know, and like coming to the studio, you know. This is like, you know, one of the first times I say Yaba for entertainment, you know, and we are also happy say Yabaha to also come and share, you know, what we have to our fans because in baby Asempa could do a question be so we are also happy.
All right, BJ Cartel, Asempa na work ma fans and reai.
When you say okay na mama adwuma ba hu say artist of the decade crowd just this morning is when I started going through the list and I realized one thing, sir. I saw some names in there and I realized that they don't have current hits.
Yes.
So which means it is not about wow hitting they look at all the jobs you've done over the decade and the years. how you've been able to handle the team, the music scene.
If my member amount for na member artist na omodi to dwano. Okay. Never compare prior omodi studio mo ha. We there sometimes a yard there na I say no transparently. Okay. No be anti here. Now you were Becca. You were Efia. You were Joe Metal. I mean you were Sako there. You were Samini. You were R2Bs. You were Shatawale. You were Stoneboy. You were Chiame Kwame. Which one does this mean from the paper here?
No tribe.
No tribe in Soho. Yes. These are the groups.
So you see,
and Prayer has been around even more than some of these.
Only say one of the year the battle and say, "Oh, you guys broke up along the way." But trust me, your breakup no crap was still in the news. Was still in the whole nation was talking about this breakup, and this whole nation crying and back. If say anyone there, if our songs were not timeless, if the people didn't like our song, Massa could be and dream prior home.
Come back, no, will not even be a successful. Success.
Me in track master, but you call your separate ways. No group na orchestrate here na ya back. Omo anugu yeso ani say o drop it, obey your own. What the two social media which will say, yeah, I like you, I follow you, but you know, I prefer you doing a group work with your team. Sana de piano, yet no. Ain't you know, Edino, make I also piece FM some of the radio stations near down, yeah, interviews. Even though I must have dropped PJ and you know, you will game minimum just a film.
Drop a song.
You drop it, be a fat group in the whole say, be a minute, Tiako, now, Master, just a group, no dean among for
relevance, not relevance.
Exactly. So it's not about split here. Were they relevant in all these 10 years? Yes. What are some of the songs of more produce? No crap, yeah, the churches these guys. It's not about their split. And your split, the coming back alone is a whole award. Yeah. The comeback alone, say yeah, back to entertain Ghanaians is a whole award.
And our comeback was on we unearthed our comeback on your event
platform.
And we were one of the artists and the group that saved the show.
We were the only artists that saved that show.
Yeah, that show. Trust me.
I can't say other artists are there on that day, but that day, we surprised the fans, and that surprise, made the whole show, the show they needed. You understand? And Tama, you're back. We had not even prepared. A friend in Yuguswa, you're working on your songs, your pesi de back. Mo abuajiya na mo free meeting. Charlie, mo come back idi eni ajipao. Na ebe pese mo babe de mba be perform where your platform so won no be who say yes, Prayer is back. Sikana of the mind into me back. But when we were supposed to charge, we didn't charge that because we thought, there's a relationship. There's a relationship. Yes. As some of say, Charlie, we chat house is not about ours. We can support you guys, and we know what they do. They do events, they do stuff and all that. It's okay. Some best supporting. Yes, we will also give in. Come and support your show, and trust me, what we did for them, now for they do so say any awards near people do almost so crap say you guys should even pick our calls for us to give us our part of and we're not hearing from you people
after the performance.
Exactly. And all of a sudden not just 2 categories of a year for group 2 categories pen a group and pay be and yes award near people but for people to know say yes the group is back.
Yeah.
And the people know Obianim. So why are you an out your makuma? Now Ombe complaining every year. We are in 20 years. Muslim celebrating. And no crap yes. And no crap is noisy. Unim. And no chair say he's very ignorant. Like he doesn't know anything about it.
I answer level. I am person because if you are no can so we tell now so their baby.
I know Obianim the Tromano.
Because one would say as a PR sometimes no.
Yeah, so one year din. Yeah. But the thing is, see, Bang Bang was produced by Kiddy.
Do you know it was produced by Kiddy? This beat out here was
produced by Kiddy. Posse G. On you mean the whole Ghana mix and come Ghana outside no mixi. Posiji miss Bang Bang. It is a wabu can say Bang Bang noise as a wound him the woka because and yen Juma Baji or Ghana now you're a comedian as a now taxi driver.
How long have you known about it?
Oh,
personally.
Before taxi driver days, What I say, nti oye mate, and yes, be when you see obi and say you are head of ye nyina share juma ya say or comedy and body and kati ye nyina start re. So if you are a PRO for a certain year, talk for your people, that's okay. But I want to me mama jina so attack ye nyuma. No.
You come back now you don't know anything about how music is composed. You can't check key guy the drop even Angelina Crowd.
I don't think so. Wait me so what right have you got?
To attack noise.
No.
I say Kawasem kase okay be say say but don't bring the kase noise.
And one thing prior did and comrade nyina. Yes prior back. Yeba back. Na me expect people say ebia one individual be po beka say Charlie prior munji 50 Ghana away. Na mo fan share mo record mu mo fa nye sa masa yan yetiti e mo remu de ye bibia enti say yan yetiti e mo remu upon ye mo se mo pay nyina achi mo mboa e Ghana sa na ti o ye be kan o Charlie the thing they be you no go buy. We come together, we are doing the thing. Ye bamu stage so obianim songs are ye release obianim muslim boy obian friend is kanche ya ye pushy. So for that small recognition now mode be my I encourage groups say oh Charlie, because trust me 2008 Angelina was all over. Tremo Woody was all over. Wonkwa was all over. Jacket Remix was all over.
That's about 4-5 songs that I mentioned on one album. That's one album.
All these songs were very popular.
At the end of the day, artist of the year, one farmer.
And do you know how that thing crippled us? That night, from that evening, I couldn't sleep. And these were some of the things a splitty group.
Okay.
Mean that down.
So that's the time from that time. Because you gave us song of the year. You gave us most popular song of the year, Afropop song of the year, album of the year. Then you didn't give us artist of the year. Yeah.
And you give artist
of the year to somebody else.
Any problem satan po no cham we fi group mu but man kase we fi group mu na say but mo the award no man any problem if you are doing the thing Charterhouse Awards that one we no go come even make noise. It's your own awards, do it and give it to whoever you want to give it to. But what the Ghana can one and then pacho do what Ghanaians want. Don't do what you like.
Now,
what you say?
One winning awards from Charterhouse, Spain.
Yes,
at that time, no. Did you believe, say, on my award scheme, no?
Your first awards was
Nehemiah dream about fakeness, no say. Say, yenya big trim, no, yenya popular song of the year, yenya artist of the year. No,
like
yenya artist of the year. Nana.
It's like Charlie. Will be meow.
Let me break it down for you.
Maybe it's a quite said. It is our time. I said 5 years ago, 7 years ago.
8 years ago.
8 years ago. Now you so you share from a different angles up to any. Near some be what the sad No. We can't take it.
Dabi.
What must you go before that? But
yes.
I did buy no. Me show attitude be, but in penny for 1 time and years. Sometimes we show attitude be. Your friend is a opinion.
See you no, yes, see you Yola.
Oh, cause before no. Na minimum say according to awards imagine na minimum say we dey edem
attitude ben now show here
men can ha but unze
ye bu fu kakra but
it you know say you must say mama musician break it down wow ma na ade bi ana ma mo friend nko ba bia munim say ade fatano na mo sa esa na ubu na bem chone ncho ye kra no auto nyina no na te say onim say ade nkosi twe because
you mean tracking tano. One thing I work Ghana and say, ye be we artists now on your abba, ye heli nyumni nice. New artist bar, unim the SCA. New artist bar, chre ne say, ubi bemu answer also woba. Ain't no SCA new artists no respect, how to respect or more, almost 30 adena woba. Ghana yen chill. Ghana, no, you see even a radio presenter trying to compare, you know, Obi a womb digger to Obi a fair no, but say, oh, I didn't cry now, one could feature a quarry. I didn't know. You can't do that.
Yes, it's true.
Let the people, as some ma or more who say, Oba no Obi wa wansa Oba, show that respect. Oba who say Nipano so ba, Obi for ba, Obi show no respect. Ebe me jumane nyache. Na Banana Republic, hey, you where you come, hey, Onipa Bakoba. I was citing one example, say, more nominations, of course, how many categories? About 40 something, or How many categories?
I'm not too sure.
Yes. Yes. Say do Christmas, ne do Easter, ne do event timer. Where are all these hit songs we've nominated? Where are they? To put them on gigs, to put them on shows, to put them. You see only 2 artists. And you are sorry them crab friends on me performing. No. Oh, gigs there. Your fans are that romantino. Your fans are that to Obi to be no gazu and a prior mon yashintina. You guys are ranting on social media. No.
Just find something.
Oh, no, really be the no of the bullet.
Let an old Troy and only Troy Newman Bramo. Now, I say, they all kind of a big blue mama. I say, I'll share the list, the best group. No, R2B's Dope Nation, a mem gang, and I'm better with Baba. He doesn't know who to and put him there.
And that's the big insult. No, where a big blow more no ankasa because he doesn't know what he's talking about. If we select artists or new artist category now they about group more. Then you don't know what you are talking about. Names are everybody are new artists of the year. New artists. New artists.
You should take them to even new artists.
Yes. Don't bring them into. No. Don't bring them into. You see,
we're not downplaying anybody.
One thing I hear chatter somewhere and every time they want to, almost satisfy. Oh. Charlie, mami choosy gang go be more fans be wo Legon. Until e benya Legon for no man basho.
La même gang perform.
Oh, see. Na sia na me hu la même gang me ko check your 1 or 2. Oh, these guys are doing well. You deserve the new artist of the year category, which new is cool. Too. Oh, new artist of the year so more bano. But to me in fact me ka James we show group ni nya who the obey. Apart from R2Bs, the rest are all new artists.
In fact, that was what I.
Apart from R2Bs,
Dope Nation.
Honestly, maybe they are doing. Their fans are there. Somewhere here, the
Pam no fast. Our group in COCC and my platform. Let's people be your fans.
And this is Ghana. This is Ghana. We are not talking about Accra Wars. We are not talking about Accra Wars.
Let's see who.
We are not talking about Accra Wars. And now we are Pamuko and someone here. Some of the songs we are playing here. Some of the songs we are playing in Accra here.
When some of the songs in Accra here and reach out.
No.
You do a and say
people still love you.
Love our songs there.
And I'm saying we are talking about Ghana, not Accra.
Let me just give you some small example.
Okay.
The people who are sponsoring the award now more, yesterday they were having a party for their CEO send off. Guess who they called to come and perform? Prior.
Yeah, near we hot to entertain them.
Yeah,
you don't.
Yeah, I'm telling you just last night. So you can check.
So if Sobiba,
the people who are sponsoring the show, who they are paying for the show, they didn't have any artists to send off their
bless them yesterday night.
Last night.
What you say? Intini Sobiti Chinaga say, and I'm more noise because super defending Masa. There are fans also listening. There are fans who know music. There are fans who know timeless songs. Or the Wuta compare na Wuta came, they did. Yeah, bro, Dada, it was good. Why is Wuta split again? I didn't know Wuta split beam because the support that the industry needs to give the groups, they are not getting it.
What support are you expecting?
Some of these small petty mistakes are mobile in terms of because you say we come your platform top, come announce our comeback, release 3 songs, release videos. That people didn't even help us. We are pushing. Now so we encouraging here. Officer, me ko solo now ebia me monthly 1 or 2 bia mejia. Now so group no mboa me. Why should I waste my time in the group when the whole nation is not even helping me? But they claim they want group. No. Let's straighten some things. Says some of these people like Charterhouse, music awards, a couple of event people, they are the drivers of the music industry. Yeah. So if we don't address them and straighten them, every day they will be complaining. Last year, last year, not only in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, where Chris Brown was someone why he cried a video with Patapa and corner.
Yeah.
The most popular across the world. Minka say Ghana po. Whether you know it was popular. Now a whole Ghana Charterhouse Music Awards, Ghana Music Awards. yeah the most popular song here na akwa go before front chain na artist na kasa why disappointed meanwhile mama na letter come to the awards come and take pictures and grace the occasion.
Have you thought disappointing about the fact, say process no academy some board ebia and then the problem
they should reshuffle that board should be reshuffled
because
that show should be reshuffled
with board members but maybe problem they say why you juma okay afi bebrebe o baby anyinyin ebi ntumi club it say no club before no
ombe hunya ma ekoso ne
omo nim nyoma ekoso ene
obi ti say wan
no, but yeah, in say oh, I mean we know. Maybe some of them have been there. Yeah, no, I'm not going to mention, but I'm just saying say. Yeah, in say oh, no, I'm saying say one kasa mu nim say some mu a radio person. I mean, mu nim kofo e wo ho. Mu nim so kofo bi wo no. They are not even abreast. They are not abreast with the system. You understand? You are not even abreast with the system. You understand? They are also but you don't even know. New generation for normal copy up and you don't even know how the system is with them. You don't know anything. So who say you're the right person to judge or to say you are deciding who should be there and who not to be there.
Because I feel that nomination process, to selection and nomination process, is very critical.
Very critical. Especially when you are dealing with Ghana. When you say Accra Music Awards or just your own music awards. Yes. 3 music awards by Obian complaining. 3 music awards, we didn't even apply. They didn't nominate us. We don't have a problem. We are not fighting with them. But so what the Ghana? You must be ready to satisfy Ghana, not just just doing anything. Like you're saying, the selection of names for categories, very critical.
Because and then the basis amount for the vote.
Yes.
So if the basis goes wrong,
it's off. The Biana.
Do you know say the entire casa do it to make creponipa? When him say fans be or no. Whether the year ni what is oh bonyu mo ye show ye nyina na when hu Ghana Music Awards na kuma mu say
didn't do anything
prime say mo anya ye kra mo this year say mo anya
that's
the impression. So you know how many fans are who kra we my bem even follow you be akra unfollow kra bi because mo anya de so Music Awards are nominating there say mo nya de
what you say not when we deserve it and you say you deserve it you deserve it
you understand
to be in the group well just the 2 group categories you deserve it to also to be nominated some names na they deserve to be there then why not play
also who do you be ocean list ni mo too tight so be who do you be
you see artists of the decade no that particular statement artists of the decade I was a bit confused
artists of the decade
let me just land. The reason why I was confused is that now, because George Way cannot take any name out. Technically, if it is going by process, onto me you will be a film. So for him to even say that, I don't know who to take out. No, and can this all come?
No.
Because if you say that, say, oh, people can take people out
and
put people in.
Yes.
Meanwhile, who need to me?
Impression.
Who need to me to decide that?
He goofed. He goofed. Papa, he goofed.
The board near wow. Say you do more. You say by the man say a board.
You understand? That board needs to be reshuffled.
I don't know whether I can raise George Quay on the line. I can be the power.
Oh, me dem person or be friend. Me person or be friend.
No, for this particular issue.
Me person or be friend. O dey my every day some more media. They have media friends who every day they put their staffs and for them to blast it. What we are saying is that Charterhouse or Mayebi, Ghana Music, they've really done well. And you say
20 years.
And you say Munyebi biya and I complaining. But ade utwasa yes utwasa na onim say wechi achia. Yeah ogina echi ni hu say wechi achia masa wechi na achia. You can and trust me, metimaka say Charterhouse 20 years are AD. Prior did the same 20 years. We've been there from day one till now.
Wow.
Oh, from Accra Awards to Ghana Music Awards. You've been there. So if elders like this, mama advisor, now the other by just mere insulter, it's like you don't know what you're talking about.
Is it really just about the nomination and Anka? Or you know that Anka, you are the best group in Ghana now?
No. Number one, we are the best group in Ghana every time. But number 2, it's not about the nomination or it's not about anything. It's about the mistakes they keep on repeating. It's 20 years. We can't just sit down for every day, the whole Ghana. From a comfort quad this. Everybody a comfort quad kumbu adie na say ube na ya dia fa wan corner. No. Akwan we don't bu or not. Why he deserves that. The whole Ghana majority. Ebani saying we was now the whole Ghana now more complaining. I didn't say yes, sir. You are breaking the hearts of the people you are doing the thing for. So then, obey Sana Fedu baby, you are not taking you serious. No, let's keep that thing. My idea for 20 years, you've been able to award artists, you've been able to share, you've been able to cry, but do it the right way. America awards, which artists are rude in the world? See American artists. American artists be a so you rude part be, but when it comes to the awards, have you heard even one person complaining? What to say complain be about from this artist? But because they do and make sure that chaladi aye dear. Ubenya bi people can na to heavy. And that's why we are also trying to bring the minds of Charterhouse, organizers near there. You're the dream, but to say, Charlie, you are doing it for the people. So let's make sure that the people also feel happy. And just said they complain, and then we also throw jabs at them. No.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM, 20 minutes to 3. Prior was studio her, and they are not happy about treatment VGM Media Momo for this year. I won't believe it, they've been given a very raw deal. Now, Yana say, I dear MPR on the bar out, George Kwima, Madame Fo. There are some of they found it very insulting to the extent, say, Choir Master had to go respond. Choir Master, in your response, what did you say? Or say, sir, Nyoma Woko Troy and what the Troy man can be.
Make us a response, Yemi and Senina, you group.
Yes, I know.
So, Yemi and Senina, we worked at the response. And you see, the power of 3, no, nothing like Charterhouse or whatever it is can stand the power of 3. Yeah. Now make Kacho said the comeback alone is an award. The power of BJN fans, the power of Make Choir Master my fans, the power of Prior Tintin's fans, no matter. You're the two one, it will challenge you for anywhere you go. So the thing is not about Bwaji and Charterhouse to be fighting, because the people know what we've done. And all we need to do is to pay attention to each other and listen to each other.
Have you been able to bring your fans together? One problem a lot of artists have. I'm more fan base, but they are scattered.
Yes.
Have you tried to bring them together? Because sometimes with your move back out, they have a voice.
Exactly. You see, one thing about Prior is you represent one district and I represent one. Prior is Ghana. Prior is Ghana, and our Prior fans is worldwide. Well, and Charlie, who Prior fan? No, Prior fans day. Naka Prior fans niwa. I better naka muni na maka say, hey Charlie, you guys have to come back. Oh, we love Angelina. Oh,
yeah. Groups are splitting.
Eh?
Yempe group yes splitting. Since they
Yenda.
Pressure.
Insult.
That shows where can he how the gravity of a Juma
still that's so surviving. DBS Prior is timeless. Prior will be a fee. That's the response. Prior you cry beto Prior will be a fee, and it's still there. And that's how the group is. The group splitted Nyamia Dum, Mompaibo, and the Mokasa Tre, and they said them we no group number back. Here's a saying more support. Support, and you say he can't kwa Nieman Kitty Biambu. You see, Ghana Miss Niger program. One say Ghana players Kobo Bola Samoja and Counter. You go see Ghana meet Niger, then Prior no days, they sit back, they watch, and they laugh. I say, how would these players not come in? A friend is saying, on Baby CC, players be free Nigeria, no Baby CC. When we have good artists like Prior, but we face your money.
Survey from artists are big, and that's names are known in Nigeria. Ghanaian artists are known in Nigeria. Few. I can count about 5 or 6. Forget about names now. What you know? Nigeria, I can mention few names. TikTok. VIP, Prior, Castro, and Sax. And now Stoneboy Abekau. Asa. All the names now come from. Yeah, their names are known here very few. Yeah, VIP na me first. VIP na mo kram here, but thickness a break is how it is. Yeah,
what you say?
Tony Tetula. Yes, you understand? And up to now,
you recognize him.
Yes, names depend you. ye ka say Ghana ye ton ye nkofo a o ma ton Ghana akọ no ma names na enie bi so bia
you know
prior my question were a bit sensitive so remember mubunfu but sometimes that is my job. Mate say a man for say mubang song no and they expected something more mature from you rather than a sex related songs bang bang or penanajo because the kids like Kwame using Kiddy they sing songs that touch people and it's not about sex but people love it and that they are disappointed in you. What response am I mount to this one?
Yeah, for say you feel more channel nearby no system na cause say you man run no you drop it 3 singles ni na you different genre.
Is it Christina or something?
No. Christina was in before.
Nya bang kwa na drop you.
You drop it bang disco light.
And adeswa.
Na no me say we nyina utia. E bia dem.
Ne target.
Target.
E bia ne target.
What man say ntino say obi a onni munyum.
Ana so obi o yakokra bi beka say
onti no say papa no beka say o ya edede. Na nka group a yakohye mu sa 7 to 8 years again. Ne ya ba ne ya drop it. Now very first week I drop it no. You drop it 3 you drop it bang kwa. You drop it 3 very day back that back say.
A producer, I don't know whether you can look for one of the songs.
And unim
and I no back train him. What must say? Not just say and no na nim reni. And no na my phone me ya.
NTA disco no kakra na yen na man for hu ni amoka.
Prior ting prior theater, prior ho. Ya tem ya tado.
Asempa FM 94.7.
Disco light, put on the disco light. Can somebody on the disco light? Okay, let's go now. I want to see pretty faces. I want to see pretty faces. I want to see pretty faces. I want. Me huma minyo. I say I'm in po. Penasa. Why the girls, the akoma? Why the girls? Hey, why the girls? Mami kike was William number 1 girl. Hey, makume mungu me uptown girl. Mami go say bibi ni go out there. No trouble on your hand. Me no care. You find your baby. Hey, and I see your pretty face. African beauty. Can somebody on the lights? Can somebody on the disco lights?
put on the disco lights.
Can somebody hey. All right. Can somebody on the disco lights?
Put on the disco lights.
Can somebody on the disco light? Hey, okay. I want to see pretty faces. I want to see pretty faces. I want to see pretty faces. I want to see pretty faces.
All right, so according to say, I mean, you've done a lot of songs.
Exactly,
because this one has nothing to do with sex.
From some kind of mind being out
all right.
Because we research, we look. Abuaji Ankasa was the first person to say bang bang yede. Until anyone wants to later on.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Oh, wait a minute. When the war, Abuaji Kacha was a bang bang.
Kiki Bansin. Abuachi was one of the first
George Quay.
Bang bang yede.
George Quay.
Me na make catch
George Quay.
I'm telling you.
So George Quay akasa bang bang yede. She say George Quay adane no. Say bang bang enye.
I say who dia bro. I say you want to tell us that Charlie. No. You want to do libi.
But what happened in the interim time of Okai say bang bang yede no till now no. Munya problem bia na BBC ya na.
Problem bia.
And I'm going to be somewhere.
They haven't dealt with us right in it.
And that is why he's coming out with this.
That's why he came out saying, one of the first person I was saying,
all right. Asempa 94.7 FM. You were prayer of here. Legendary prayer. Prayer am my entertainment scene na ye depa. And we are come ko show. Send off party ma. Vodafone phone paying for no. Say they are still needed. I'm for here. People love them. But according to say society or the industry is giving them a bad deal. I don't know what was so doing. 03022165545, 03022165545, and 03022165546. We bet me are friending. We are also on Facebook Live. We are on Facebook page, no, so you're going to see us live. 03022165545, and your first caller on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Yes. What is saying? What is saying?
Who's that? Hello?
Yeah, friend saying, who fair thing? Pacho, omo can contribution why? I'm saying we'll line in share that any papa bia. Let me see whether somebody else is on the line. 03022165545, 03022165546. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Pacho, your friend saying who him?
Pacho, Fulani, Kajano.
All right, Fulani, Paye was studio ha.
I think the Tremor brothers and the Sona say, Obama shares are in no. For 9 inches, Priamo Pa, Presenting by Chichi and Nina Yumnes, a Bokrao, Shetokrum crowd, Jalocra, so. I am now the bank by so a queer by Nipana or Case. A making noise and yet and yumno, Maum Shenocra, Maum Fino, Ebia on Crana or Pase, or so you know away Mudican.
Unfortunately, yeah.
That's for the encouragement.
All right, 03022165545. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Down the door.
Yes. At the time. But you're free, your friend was saying.
What's batting?
Oh, what's batting? But your man don't go right.
When you're quite a oh, on promotion of new song, no, I'm not popular. What I say? They should change their mind. So, yeah, dear, but our promotion is backwards. And quit him to say something. Sir, I'm good, but it's a promotion now. And quit this time, I'm quitting ye. Oh, there's already be first fire and tell me, Tiano, on which there should be one. Our bar, they should forget about every issue. Oh, they should push ahead, say. Music, it says, sell it. Every place, no, your boy, dear, it should be first. Oh, but some some person baby, oh, who do you look whatever catch them say. You are stars. Oh, don't try to be a manager. You have the voice. Find a manager who will work for you, who go the up and down to where that your music must be played. Any place they show you are there. Whoa. I didn't have musicians, no. I don't know. Who's me we stand what talent, no. Made in Metronium, Master, no poor better when I'm manager. Oh, no blow. Oh, that piano, no blame will be. I want bar, no go blame will be, no blame will be you. Blame yourself because you are not working hard. Oh, work hard. This is work harder. The Ghana music, no. Say, Muda Krampa, now what next frame? What I said it every day, man, you might like you, yeah. No blame will be, no blame. God had a blame will be. We don't blame ourselves. Yeah, you should check us for and to be at this time, next time to be better. Oh, that is life. Oh,
all right.
Yeah. Popular song, be said,
yeah.
And you know, Nana, I'm saying, when Tia interview,
exactly.
Yeah, pray for any popular song, Massa. And awards, you know, Yadia.
All right.
And a promotion is
Obi online to see a better answer our questions. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Pacho, your friend was saying for him.
About your friend, Mr. Solomon, for fees legal.
Pacho, prior or ha. Asempa na opeso kachoro.
Pacho, me Adamo pa, especially when you could be at a friend of Ban Champions, you feel me go to deal. And the papa. I'm one a capella calamidasi.
Ejaku no ka. Me hu Ejaku na midday na chisheko engines.
Ban Champions, and the papa.
All right, 03022165545, 03022165546, 03022165545, 03022165546. Prior is right here in the studios. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho, first lady, your friend say.
Friend is Zainab.
Zainab, Pacho, who friend?
I believe it.
All right, Pacho, prior tinting, prior titi, and prior
honor. Oh, Miss Thomas and I love them. They are doing much work, but almost forget the papa. When the people come on, put a bien through, send a tron, don't forget someone baby. Next time, I love them so much.
We love you too.
All right, 0302216545. Number some question.
Yes, once a year can be said promotion in a massy sikao. Obeti artist no nyum wo be bia no e sika before no na me kan sem bi say ye start say ye group yi back amosem pe group yi obia man be support group no ya na kakra your management team and you see any managers na ya fa yan say managers we have a good management team they are working very hard to this April we are working on our comeback tour. You be the whole Ghana. Wow. We are really working hard. Uwo obi o sika person be invest or prior fane bra e be make juma more vibrant.
All right. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Yes, Pacho, your friend saying?
Biya oko there.
I am Biya Boko. Your friend saying free.
O ko fi tabi je nka tebi auto akoma.
What's it?
E fami
Okay. Mpacho ma wanu ko why?
Wood no say wa kan bravo sa ti uchiko country na style bi benya me.
You be fan sa.
Yeah. Me ya da wo
Me da see.
Jo ko I say they don't so ni me adwen. We mu do wundum ya do. Player me nye me 20 years ba. Player minimum no over Upa, one day, the next week, Uba, Omundum started. Some of them from beginning to the end. Omundum yet, and to get good them. Say, well, fire the grand or cancer because it's not easy to over pen at 2 pass over to you. And easy. You won't forget to know Omundum yet, and see the law. The
dawn. All right, 6 minutes to the top of the hour, and we have another person on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, Fefi, your friend was saying. All right, Pacho, prior.
I mean, sure, I'm going to fly and one of the moment, no, we can be a no cost on your Jima.
That's a pa. Betty, I mean, Crawford or Betty. Big up the Betty Shama, Charlie, big up.
Yeah, all right, okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Absolutely.
Pacho, your friend was saying. All right, Pacho, prior.
Na apatio George Grady de Munjano no me come lawyer. That's how every day let's have music awards. Award is some of them away, now they are come away. After the show, everything is in the mess and then Ghanaians crying around. So for the see of no money.
That's it.
All right.
For the encouragement.
Okay, that's what we need.
Exactly.
The industry to support.
Yes.
At least.
Seriously, once prior bar out, you took one be brave. And on the my kasa be brave. Uku krobi so trust me, the don. You are not even a musician, but Ubeku krobi so nyumbi albeti no because Charlie new way the Kwama satisfied no they be. But trust me, the hype alone behind the song and the way the people are doing, no support no more man, you know. Massa, you won't even know the time I also didn't know Sabi.
Wow.
And that's what we need in Ghana.
All right. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend was saying who for him.
Your friend is poor, make a this man.
Pacho, my one uncle why.
Pacho, I am Omoyadi. Now, Omuntia to go no mention of the Oba Akai, who big would be said. Young fat a two that empire for. For example, the don't want to think as a cat them you can I can't get out bedman, no one knows. You know, make a win and say, hard ruling will move you through. No movement says competition and a woman or more competing. The see an way. The may bought a usual go to Maya. Name for Fire a bra, I'm using a war. What I say, a system a woman and the Italian back. And then when you just will be never support, So we have to complain, and you will still complain about the bonity for. So when you old hard goal in them to Mutima, they will separate again. I'm telling you the truth. You present old hard goal in this show. So when you compete with modern song about I tell you, they will separate. Keep on big.
All right. Yeah, that was it.
Can I answer?
Please feel free to answer. You are free to answer. Answer one.
Hello, good afternoon.
Last caller. Hello, good afternoon, Pacha.
Good afternoon. Last caller.
I say a son cow.
Oh, yeah, my industry, no better sign my you see, those days prior, no more Kumasi. Now, do Kumasa sign, do Atonsu, do S line, Jinyaso, Chachi Pramso, Okikakokuchi.
It's not born. Names now, Bobo, and Ghana. Names now, Bobo, some of these everything, and be a big Ghana.
The old Ghana. She said, you see, yet that must say, my back on my Sababium. She said, any one echo. Every show, yeah, no prior, no show. No prior.
That's right. That's right.
That.
This is a real prior fan.
Yeah, this is a real prior fan.
What you say? And one to say the only pabako can say be your bush show there. Son of Busube Fra or be show there. On Frequam Eugene.
Because I'm not sure no man for prime coming.
Exactly. I'm not sure no man for Kwame Eugene. I will come see me. Well, it's about knowing what the people want. Yes, say Utiro radio to say and you way Bobby Brain, my man from no
me put the another me person me correcting and say o say ye pass glory in influence, but here's the case why you nyum be brave at ho. What it say amachi de dey. O catch amachi de so you pass glory if you let's say oh yeah. Because amachi de just not release any song in years.
Yes.
So if you tell him that
playing the big shows,
pass glory only if you don't go there. My you make one hits be crazy. My mom hits for almost 30 years. Because when releasing no song and 19 no. And so on can what is the meaning of that?
And
I must say, back. Do you
understand?
Any team of football. I feel say
on pass glory in why you for all these years I hits on that one on concentrate on current. Yes, sir. Nothing I will catch them.
Any jato or Kramana must see us.
They release hits. Your mom showed the wrong some things catch me. Jack make my police back to back songs. We say we shouldn't live on that. We should get current for next current for the content. No, we are to me from and then you don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know.
You are not an organizer.
No. So only musician, so he definitely
come on, we zooming come be. You didn't come on. What can you do? What can we do?
Because glory way and one year
now let me read some of the messages that are here. Now I'm enjoying the show. Big ups the dawn of the universe. This is Pa Kofi Dino Bills. Now they would Kamagate Ibrahim says, please the dawn. They are my all-time favorites. Tell them to put their new album on Spotify. My all-time song is La Supadora. Yes. And this one also says, your tree go kill me, where the person love her. I say, I love it. Prayer all the way.
Yes,
forget that word. We love you. This is Mercy Edu Jemfi.
We love you too.
Elijah Atta say, how are you doing, bro? Nice to see you. This is P. Sweden. I think it's Prince. It's talking about Prince. Now, what in Destiny say? Good talking. What in Destiny back to say more fire to prayer. Now, Atakra say, True talk. Prayer needs respect. PhD group of the year is not only about the song.
Yeah.
How do their things? What? How they do their things together, stagecraft, etc. See how Ghanaians are hating Kwame Eugene. This small boy working hard, he saved our music industry. See how he's helping bring back the old artists, Tic Tac, D Black, etc. Our own high life music to the world. Ghana, He's talking about the fact that people are not giving you.
We are not respecting their own.
Yes.
We need the support.
Now, Michael Yeboah say you are still needed in the system.
Definitely.
Still, you hear me. So, right now the ball is in your court. What are you doing now? Right about now? Somebody to drag. Sisia, I didn't know your studios is here.
Biba, young Casapi, the other banner, young Casapi, and Chakra, how long? 1 month.
1 month.
Exactly. 1 month.
Exactly. And also, this time, who release here, you need to, also, one of the fans was saying, say, we should put our songs on Spotify.
Yes.
A lot goes into releasing a one-day song. So, also, release it for 1 day, a lot goes into it before. We need to prepare the song, make sure Spotify approves it, iTunes approves it, Obiabe approves. So when we release it once now, Obia and Sabeka. So one heavyweight is coming. Yeka say we are shooting a video.
Yeah, video.
One heavyweight. Monster song.
The monster. Easter was so we are everywhere. You know, so that you can a prayer. It will be a few prayer to me tremda. Until to me kasi anyuma ya yegu on na say no. Africa na be hye.
I remember Nana Tama, he was the Minister for Information. No, Kasao baby, and he says, I am my shoddy. Tell you back in the day, Minister.
Trust me, Unim, Tama, you break it up. I saw Franklin lawyer, or what's his name? Is it Franklin Think Tank? Franklin Kujo.
Yes.
And now where is Prayo? Where is Prayo on his page? Now that Prayo is back, he's kept quiet. So I'm speaking to him. Tell the world Prayo is back now.
Call them and just give them some 10,000 for promotion. It's okay.
It's okay. You know, you really want the group. And you know, the other day too, I saw some politicians discussing the group, you know, on TV. I think Adom TV or something. And I know that Prayo is truly in everybody's house. So Charlie, to everybody, if you love the group, you know, our managers, your social media, you can get in touch. Charlie, most of them we have person they support him. Now, you know, be nice, now you're fair. That's all we need.
All right, I hope say new song number you come here first.
Oh yeah, welcome.
Definitely.
Because we can
yes,
first and son more starting with trip.
Definitely.
Because I'm on for person bet
I know.
Trust me, it's coming.
Before song. All right. In fact, on the 6th of April, no, yeah, war Asempa war a Walk with the Stars.
Okay.
The stars like prior.
Okay.
Yes, in fact, this is an entertainment show. Asempa Diaba because they want the stars like you to come here.
That's right.
It's a new program. It's now you don't know about it. They started somewhere last year.
Right.
And December Muna started here. In fact, December 29th, first edition. So January, February, March. 3 months. A new show for you. I feel say you need to come and support. Walk with the Stars.
Okay.
I mean, please come. Your friend is saying Friday here at Asempa. You best start with the forecourt of multimedia. That's where we're going to start a walk with the stars.
That's right.
Whether football stars, music stars, movie stars. So we are inviting you.
That's good.
Apart from that, it's good for health.
Yeah, I mean, anything I hear with the fans, you know, I'm sure some of the fans.
Oh no,
exactly.
No, it's not only the stars.
Yes,
it's even Asempa listeners would even come and join you.
That's right.
Because we number more motivation.
That's right.
To come.
Yes.
Yes.
And good health exercise is very good. So yeah, this is one thing I endorse.
Networking is necessary.
Charlie will be there definitely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a very good practice because most stars sometimes we a big mistake. Instead of connecting with the fans, they are not ferry.
The problem is the lyrics no.
Thank you. When they see they're happy.
Get the lyrics.
So I mean the fact that why you're big, that's where you started from, humble beginnings.
Yes.
Yeah. To us, I don't know about that, but you couldn't permit me say me Madina Zongo pa. Me once ubi some Madina for me catch almost every week. Be I'm there, you know. Me now me interact. I do stuff with them, you know. So,
Grandmaster, where did you grow up?
Oh, baby, Adabraka came to Teshi in Tema from Sunyani into Charlie. More soldiers.
So, Mr. Menino, Big Jane, Mamma Benima, about Teshi, on a Monsieur and crying. Obviously, you can't cry, and I'm the Yemen, Manantino. And the Musani Abruchega crack.
All right, Charlie.
Come a family Abruchentino.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. What family? That's in your wife and kids.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are married?
Yes.
I didn't know. I thought it was only
Charlie will be big men. You see, we started like some school children, prior days, next cafe days. Now we all be family men. It is a Kasawe be I saw say
big boys. Yeah.
Exactly. We don't feed only our family. There are people we support. There are people who depend on us. It's a Jumana no. So that we can also support certain people. And it is be ridiculous, Jumana. We won't be happy.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Judge Quay, I wanted to call you, but they didn't want you in the conversation.
Dabi. It's okay. No problem.
They didn't want you in the conversation.
No problem.
All right. In fact, final parting words.
Okay, so I mean, all said and done. I mean, let's peace prevail.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, Yambahasi any Judge Quay Beku, Yambahasi any Chatterhouse Beku. We're just. I mean, if Felicia be to see 20 years, we're expecting better from them.
Yeah.
We didn't want to, celebrate 20 years on the backbone of, complaints. But, so they should take it in good faith. I mean, we are not here to come and, downplay their awards scheme and all of that. You've done well over the years. Yankasa, you've awarded us in the past.
Yeah.
But we feel, 20 years after celebrating 20 years, things should be straight. Yama enko smooth. Yeah, think little things to say mistakes we are omitting some names that were supposed to be there. No, it's not supposed to be happening. So we thank you for everybody who supported us. We are back. I mean, market size here, market say any noise. Into the noise now could rush studio. Something big is coming. I address my speech directly to them. So I mean, we thank our fans for sticking and staying with us. We are back and we are back for good. We aren't going anywhere. That's a promise.
Now, obviously, I say, take it a man from Odeina on Bessan Bricky. It's very funny. Osho said, I can't boom my fighting for prior now. Uchrem say we break up as a 1 year mystery. It's like you want us to break up.
I'm surprised about the synergy.
Yeah. What the way you're back together to fight for the group. It should tell you, say no, it's not. There's no time for breakup.
But that was the main reason why I felt the need to call Kobe.
Exactly.
No, I feel the energy.
Yes.
No, I need this.
Yes. But you say along the way, along the way, we from Tieti and Kwa. Without supporting, it's part of the variety.
But say group ne break up there.
Say group na Dabi. We are betting you from Tintin Kwa fine or still prior.
Betting you from Obasanti group no yam ne bia na
Tieti and Kwa.
Nipa mienu pe kra na ye.
Yes. Na ye prior.
But it's still prior.
Variations.
One fans no fan on a different level.
Yeah.
You
learned a lot of lessons.
Now, before you go, my parting gift now, the best tea for no guitar no.
Guitar no only. It will give me. You have to give me some few minutes to tune it.
Yeah, I'll give you
a cappella. Because if I say I'm going to tune it, to my waste your time.
All right.
What I say, you know.
Say you can pray.
Okay. Say you can pray. It will be a fear.
It will be a fear. It will be a fear.